If you want to add a video to your ActiveCampaign emails, you can use the built-in video block to create a clickable video thumbnail. In this video, I'll show you how to add a video to an ActiveCampaign email step by step. First, log into your ActiveCampaign account and open the email campaign or template you want to edit. Click Edit Design to open the email designer. On the right-hand side, find the video content block and drag it into your email layout. Now click the video block to open its settings. In the URL field, paste the link to your hosted video, such as a YouTube or Vimeo video. ActiveCampaign will automatically generate a clickable thumbnail for the video. You can then adjust the video's alignment, size, spacing, and other design options to match your email. Once everything looks good, use the preview option to check how the email appears on different devices. Finally, save your design and continue with your normal campaign setup. And that's how you can add a video to an ActiveCampaign email. Keep in mind that the video appears as a clickable thumbnail rather than playing directly inside most email inboxes. If this guide helped you, consider subscribing for more ActiveCampaign tutorials.